We've acquired the scan, so now we're going to move on to model phase. To do that, we select the right arrow. At this stage, you will notice that a lot of the artifacts have been removed. So the scan system does that for you. But we can do some further editing to remove any more soft tissue. To do that, we select Edit Model. You can select Tools. So this icon here on the right, and you have three choices: Define Border, Cut, or Reset Model. So we're going to select Cut. And if you have any extra soft tissue that I need to remove, we can use the trackpad. So to activate, you double click so it starts to stick, and then just click the left button on the mouse pad. And to finish the cutting element, you double click again. Edit model, done. I'm going to check the upper jaw, so that was the lower jaw. We select the upper jaw icon. And again, we just check to see if there's any noise or any data that I want to remove. I can see there's something at the 8 there. So here, again, select the cut. To attach the cut, you double click, left icon, click to the area you want to remove, and double click to finish cut. You can check the buccal bite registration. So the next icon, buccal bite registration. So we select, and you can notice straight away, we're checking the occlusion. And is that a correct representation of the patient? We can also look at model contacts. So you'll see straight away what happens is the models separate, and it gives you an indication where the occlusal contacts are, and that's color mapped for you. At this stage, you have some choices. If you're using the Connect portal, you would simply select the right icon and move through the Connect system. Your lab needs to be registered on the Connect portal. But if your lab isn't, or you need an STL file of these models for printed models or for your bleaching trays, so on, you can then select the Dentsply icon in the top left icon, and you have the choice of Export. And what appears is the export case file. You have the file name, the folder to where it's being placed, it's exporting as an STL file, and you have model export resolution. So file name, you'll select the patient details or the patient name, so it's John Smith, but you need to keep the .stl. So it'll be John Smith. I'm going to select location, so I want it on the desktop. So I'll just select desktop. I'm happy with that, or you can create a new folder. You want to save it as an STL file and the highest resolution. And then you select export. So now that file has exported as an STL and it's on your desktop.